Hey everybody, it's Kendra. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you've been here before. My video today is going to be a very simple summer salad and a perfect way to use up the summer squash and zucchini that you may have an abundance of at the moment. I know in my gardens, I've got my gray zucchinis and my yellow summer squash, and every time I go to the garden, I generally harvest 3, sometimes 6, sometimes 8. But once you start getting your little harvest of zucchinis and summer squash going, they just kind of keep coming and coming and coming, and you end up with this crazy amount of zucchinis. So I'm going to share a recipe that will help you take care of that problem. So I'm going to be showing you how to make this super yum salad. We've got our summer squash, our zucchini. I've got some prosciutto, some Parmesan walnuts. Oh, it's so good. So this recipe was inspired by a trip to Corsica that my husband and I took about 5 years ago. I think it was 5 years ago already. His grandparents actually have a home in Corsica, so we went to visit. And I remember his grandma making this salad, and I just thought, wow, I never would have thought to make this combination of ingredients, but it was so good, so refreshing, and I was super, super impressed. And I feel like this is a salad, it's kind of unexpected, and if you make it for people, they are going to be so impressed, and it's so delicious. It's so simple. All right, so let's jump into it. Alrighty, ingredients for this lovely summery salad. So obviously you're gonna need some zucchini or summer squash. So I'm gonna be using one of each. I'm making the salad just for myself and my husband. So I like to think about one small, medium-ish zucchini or squash per person if you're going to be eating this kind of as a main course. Also, I put in some lovely prosciutto di Parma. I get my prosciutto from Costco. Also, I love to put some nice aged Parmesan in this. I don't generally do dairy, but when I do, I want it to be a really good old cheese, and this Parmesan from Whole Foods is super, super, super good. Also, I love to throw some walnuts into my salad, and then as for a dressing, just a little olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper, and you are good to go. All right, and as far as tools go, I am going to be using this veggie spiralizer thing from the brand Brief Tins. I don't know, I got it on Amazon during Black Friday. This comes with several blades, but I am going to be using the flat blade. I feel for this type of salad, I just love having kind of wider, thin strips of zucchini. If you do not have one of these, maybe you have something like this. This is called the veggetti. So basically you put your squash in there and push this into the squash and turn, and you get more like spaghetti style zucchini. And you know what? If you don't have either of those, a vegetable peeler works just perfectly fine. You can just make nice little strips of zucchini. All right, so I did my green. Now I'm just gonna do my yellow. I have peeled these slightly. I didn't peel the whole zucchini or squash. I just peeled some strips off of it, so I'll still have a little bit of that peel for color. All right, so if I am doing both a yellow and a green, I like to mix them up a little bit so it's not just, you know, all yellow on top of green. All right, and then I'm gonna layer on some nice bits of prosciutto. I just love prosciutto. Oh, so good. All right, and then we're gonna put on a few walnuts. Just a handful is good. Next, I'm gonna take a veggie peeler and just peel off a few little bits of this Parmesan. I have a cat next to me. She's going crazy. She loves prosciutto. And next, I'm going to juice, let's say half a lemon. Yeah, I think half a lemon will be good. I think one full lemon would be a bit much. And then a nice drizzle of olive oil. Yum. And then a little sprinkle of pepper, a little sprinkle of salt. All right, et voila, a beautiful summer zucchini salad. All right, so there we go, our lovely summer squash salad. I want to get a little bit of everything on here. I don't have a walnut. There's my walnut. Oh, it's just so good. So good. I love the way the saltiness and kind of like the nice texture from the Parmesan plays with the zucchini and the prosciutto, and the lemon just, it's like this little zing of freshness. So good. So anyway, let me know if you make this and what you think of it. Now, if you don't do dairy, obviously you could omit the cheese. If you don't do meat, you could omit the prosciutto. But I do sort of feel like this salad in all of its glory is exactly how I made it. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.